Kidney disease is a severe medical condition that requires immediate medical attention. Otherwise, it gets worse over time if left untreated. According to one recent study, almost more than 37 million Americans have kidney disease, and a significant number of those people don't even know about it. Silent kidney disease is also a very critical problem because it gets worse over a while. However, some warning signs of kidney disease that anyone with kidney disease can experience at some point in their life. We have compiled a list of the most common signs of kidney diseases after doing a lot of research on this specific topic. Number 1. Chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is one of the most common signs of kidney disease. Due to the loss of protein in the urine, our body usually gets tired quickly, resulting in chronic fatigue every time. Moreover, one specific hormone called erythropoietin, or also known as EPO, which is responsible for telling our body to make red blood cells, is not produced with kidney disease. However, fatigue is not always due to kidney disease. There are many other causes that you should also consider before getting checked. Number 2. Trouble sleeping. Another most common sign of kidney disease is lack of sleep or sleep deprivation. Whenever a person feels difficult to sleep, kidney disease may be one of the most common reasons to blame. As our kidneys do not filter waste materials properly, the levels of these toxins rise in the blood, resulting in sleep-related disorders. Number 3. Dry skin. Dry or itchy skin is also very common in kidney patients. Whenever the kidneys do not make the proper levels of minerals and nutrients in the bloodstream, it usually causes dry and itchy skin. If you're also experiencing dry or itchy skin problem, you should consult your doctor right away and get the proper treatment as early as possible. Number 4. Frequent urge to urinate. Frequent urine urgency is also a very common sign of kidney disease in which a person experiences a sudden urge to urinate, especially at night. However, frequent urine urgency is not always associated with kidney disease. It could also be any other medical condition such as urinary tract infection or prostate problems in males. Number 5. Foamy urine. Foamy or bubbly urine is considered the most alarming sign of kidney disease. The foam in the urine usually forms due to an excessive amount of protein in the urine, which results in frothy pee. If you are experiencing constant foamy urine, you must pay attention to it and get tested for a complete urine profile. Number 6. Swollen feet. Swollen eyelids and ankles are another most common sign of kidney disease due to fluid buildup. Due to decreased kidney function, the body starts sodium retention that causes swelling in the feet and ankles. However, swelling in the ankles and other parts of the body could also be due to heart disease or allergic reaction. Wrap up. We hope all these signs and symptoms of kidney disease will make you understand everything about early kidney disease. If you are also experiencing any of these symptoms mentioned above, you should consult your doctor immediately and get a proper medical checkup.